let's go this e-commerce front end. We have all of these kind of cool animations. We have all of this stuff. So if you need e-commerce development services, check my portfolio and contact below. Let's continue here. We're gonna create a new file. You can find this code in my GitHub in this one, Summer Sandal Showcase 2, and just here others are for other tutorials. So this is in app folder and then Summer Sandal Showcase. Use client. I'm using NextJS. We're gonna npm install Framer Motion and Lucid React. Then let's create interface ID, name, price, all of this good stuff. Sandals. Let's create some mock data here. So we have ID, name, price description, image, features, ratings. And then let's create 2 more products, the same structure. And then you can copy this from my GitHub. Let's create feature badge. So this is the feature badge, these ones. Let's say span feature, that's it. Product card, motion div. We're gonna while hover, we're gonna do some transitions and stuff, so it goes up. So we're gonna say div, image, and then product price. So we created this image and this product price has absolute positioning and stuff. Okay, so div, name, description. This is ratings. This is let's map features, so feature badge. So we're gonna map all of these features here. And then this is add to cart button. And is this it? No, because this was we just made this product card. So now we need to create the whole product, the whole page. So set selected tab and stuff. So we have these 2 tabs, this tab and this tab. So we have div, and then we're gonna say motion, title, and then this is paragraph, div. This is gonna be set selected tab, products, and this will be shipping. And this will be selected tab will be products. And we have this motion div, and we have div product card. So let's continue. If selected tab is shipping, then we're gonna have something else. We're gonna have this title. We're gonna have all of this shipping information, all of this shipping information, and all of this shipping information. So this is what it looks like. And then below we have another motion div, and why choose our sandals. We're gonna just go quickly through this. We have this div, and this div, and that's it. We successfully coded this whole page. If you need e-commerce development services, check my portfolio and contact below. Thank you for watching.